Welcome back. This video I will talk about some helpful tools when you are searching for legal information. So here on the search tab, I have lots of general education information that if you're searching for, say, academic journal articles in education, or maybe information about laws, these would be good resources to search. If you need the primary source, the actual court case or statute itself, you will want to scroll down to this box that says legal resources. And I have a few links here. So GovTrack is a website where you can keep track of what bills are currently in Congress and what their status is. So you can find it based on your location or the issue area. You can select education and see what laws concerning education are happening right now. The next resource is also from the government, since laws come from the government. USA.gov is a great go-to place for all government information. So if you want to find something and you don't want to search in Google because you don't want to get things that are not government information, you can come to USA.gov and search. And they also have a section for federal laws and regulations where they can explain things in very plain language so that anyone can understand. You don't have to be a lawyer to understand it. If you aren't able to find what you need using USA.gov, but you still know that you need to find something from a government website, you can search in Google for your search terms and then do the word site, SITE, .edu. And this will, I'm sorry, .gov. .edu works too. You would search education websites. But when you do .gov, then you are just searching government websites. And so you can see here all of these results are from a .gov website. So that is one helpful tip. Another resource which you will only have access to while you are a student at ECU is Westlaw. And this is a database full of court cases. And as I mentioned in a previous video, sometimes you will be reading a case and not realize that it has been superseded by a different case. So Westlaw has a handy tool to help you find out if a case has been superseded. So I will go ahead and search for the name of a case. And you can see these flags here in the search results. When I click on that, it will tell me what that flag means. And it's called key site. And that red flag means that it has been, it's been superseded. A blue stripe flag means that there is a current case about it that hasn't yet to be decided. And then a yellow flag means it has been somewhat negatively treated in other cases, but not totally overruled. And so it's been heavily critiqued, but not overruled. And then if it does not have a flag, it means that it still stands. So that is a helpful way for you to see if your court case has been superseded. I have a video with more information about how to use Westlaw here. And then finally, my last tip, sometimes when you are looking for the text, looking at a court case online, and there is a lot of text, and you may need to search within that court case. And so one trick you can do is on your keyboard, press Control F, or if you're on a Mac, Command F, and you will get this search box. and you can browse through each time that word appears on the page. So again, that was Control F or Command F on your keyboard, or you can also, depending on your browser, right click and click Find. Okay, so those are my tips for searching in legal information. And then the next video on the Use tab will discuss citing legal information.